Hi everybody, Mike here. I wanted to give a quick update on as you're editing your blogs and putting that information in there. A question came up about embedding content into the blog, and one of the things that if you're copying and pasting, one of the things that won't work quite so well because the blog requires the actual files or the code of the images that you. If you're copying and pasting from Word or something, don't put the pictures in Word and expect them to pop into the blog very well. You'll want to wait and insert those images or other things once you get to the blog and you're doing your editing. So here I am in my blog post that I did, and I just clicked on Edit to update it. And one thing to realize, like right here, there's this big blank space. Well, there's actually something there that I included. Um, and what I did is I grabbed the embed code from the slideshow that we had created from Picasa of our cohort images and put them in here. But when you do stuff like that, so for example, here's this presentation that I have that I'm doing on Tuesday, and I'm in the middle of working on it. And so the first thing that you're going to have to do is make sure that whatever you're embedding or sharing is viewable by everybody. So here under the sharing settings, I need to make sure that anyone with the link can view it so that it'll be open and available. That doesn't need to be searched by the public, but anyone with the link needs to be able to view it. And then, if I come down here to the File menu, I can select Publish to the Web. And this is how it's going to work on a Google presentation. I'll show you what it looks like with a YouTube video in a moment. So I click Publish to the Web, and I'm going to say Start Publishing. And yes, I really want to do this. And now once that happens, I'm going to get a embed code shows up here. Now the presentation size, the medium is a little bit big and wide for our blog, so I might have to change this to small, and that actually changed some code up here in the frame. And now I'm going to highlight that code. I don't have to know anything about what that code means, I just have to be able to highlight it, and I'm going to copy it. Now when I come back to my blog, I want to figure out, okay, where do I want to put this on the blog? And so I'm going to give myself a little tool to help me remember where I want to put it. So I'm actually going to type in the word here, and I might actually put some returns after it, and I might put a return before. So I've got this space here where I want to put that code. Now I'm going to switch over to something called HTML. That's the code that's actually going on behind any web page. And if I click on that, it's going to pop up this code that has all these characters and things, and oh, I don't know what that means. That's okay. But when I come here, I look, I'm going to see there's the word here that I just put in there. And I see these breaks in there that are the line breaks of where I hit return a few times. And so I'm going to highlight the word here, and now I'm going to paste that code. So once I've done that, now when I come back to compose, my slideshow pops right in. Now I can do the same thing. I'll put here again too, and return. And I can do the same thing with a YouTube video. Here's a YouTube video about MOOCs, and I'm going to click on Share, and I'm going to click on Embed. And again, now I get the embed code. I'll copy that, excuse me, and come back to my blog and click on HTML. And here's that word here again. I can paste that. And when I click back on Compose, There's my presentation, and below that, here's my video. So this is a way for you to get embedded things in there. Now, if you wanted to do an image, and I'm just going to show what an image might look like here, um, maybe I want to put my image up at the top, so I might come here to where it says Insert Image, and I'm going to navigate and choose a file, or I can even choose it from a URL or from a Picasso web album. So maybe I want to pick from one of the pictures that we have. Here's our cohort pictures, and I'm going to find one that looks good here. Maybe pick this one of Andy. Now that's going to pop in. I can click on it and I can change the size. Maybe I want it to be smaller. I can change the orientation. I can maybe move it to the right, and now it kind of, the text automatically wraps around it, and then I can continue typing and around it, adding my text, and things will work out. So these are some ways that you can add to your blog. Again, don't copy and paste the images into the blog, but add your text. You can copy and paste the text. Once you have the text in there, then you can start adding your images or adding your presentations or other things that you want to embed by getting that embed code, switching to HTML. After you've typed in here, that's that little trick to kind of help you know where you want to paste it, and then things should show up for you. Again, any questions, please contact me and I'll try and help out. I will be at the TIES conference Monday and Tuesday all day, but I'll be have access to email and things if you need help with questions or things like that tomorrow, etc. Post further questions on Google Plus and be happy to help out. Thanks and have a great day.